Dip powder liquid set. Wakaniya dipping powder system includes 1x base top coat, 1x activator, 2x replacement brushes. We use large capacity bottles, each with 15 milliliters, 0.5 ounces of liquid. This set is just for dip powder, instead gel nail polish. Healthy and high quality. The bottle is made of ceramic, and dip powder liquid is made of high-quality materials, environmentally friendly and non-toxic, low smell. Fast drying, resistant to chipping and cracking. Even for beginners, you can easily create bright and vivid nails. Easy to use. No UV, LED nail lamp needed, easy to apply and dry fast. With this set, you can quickly finish dipping nails at low cost at home. Good choice for both professional salons and beginner. 2-in-1 base top coat design. As an upgraded liquid set, we put the base coat and top coat in the same bottle, which can save the space and time of dip powder nails. Only 2 bottles are required to complete the production of dipping powder nails. Tips and service. Please clean the neck of the bottle with alcohol immediately after use to ensure that the liquid bottle can be opened normally. If you have any questions about this liquid set, please contact us in time. We will try our best to provide you with satisfactory solutions. Top reviews from the United States. Good results with this duo. I bought this duo as a replacement from a starter kit where the base coat and top coat had gotten thick and gooey within 8 months, approximately manicures. The thinner that was included in the starter kit did not change the consistency at all.